Hi everybody, my name is Halim Kard. I am the head chef here at Tacbar. Thank you very much for coming. We here at Tacbar, we're doing a different spin on food in Jamaica. We're going to try our best to run with some upscale street food and match it with some amazing drinks. We have a menu that is huge. Reason being, because we have so many offerings, so many different things to try. Today we did some ceviche, which is my signature side, one of my favorite things that I have on the menu. We also did another one of our signature sides, which is our elote, which is a play on like a Mexican classic elote. We use our beet aioli and our red crunch, our red tahine crunch. We did our quarter chicken for our lunch special, which is a usual jerk chicken that people are used to. But we took it, spinned it around, scotch bonnet oil, jazzed it really nice. We did our salad bowl. This is a black bean salad. It goes with candied plantain, olives, and guacamole. We also featured a brand new item, which is our cauliflower bites. We had a couple people that were asking for more vegan options, so we definitely added that with that in mind. We did some tacos. We did a jerk chicken taco, pork sausage taco, and our salt and pepper fish. And we vary the soft and the hard shells for different experience for what people would want. Some things would go a little nicer with hard shells. Something would go a little bit nicer with soft shells. You can take any of our offerings as per fillings for tacos, and then you can upgrade it. Regular restaurants are to fries, and here at Tacbar we like to focus on our nachos. It's really that down home friendly option that people are used to. It's smothered in cheese and topped with different toppings, sweet, salt, acid, so many different things and so many different options that you can try with it. And you can get literally something different every single time you come to Tacbar, and that's the whole vibe of it. That's the whole point of it.